project-based learning can be confusing, so let's talk about it for a minute, or maybe more. There are a lot of different teaching methodologies that fall along a continuum. Many of them have constructivist elements. Constructivist means, basically, that learners learn while doing. Teachers help students to construct their own knowledge rather than to reproduce facts, as opposed to learn and then do, which is generally the model of doing projects. There are also a lot of different organizations who teach specific formulas for implementing project-based learning, like Buck Institute. According to Buck Institute, there are 8 essential project design elements for gold standard PBL. Even this verbiage implies that there are different levels or types of project-based learning. The Buck Institute tells us that the best project designs have these elements. There are also 8 elements for project-based teaching practices. Here they are. One of the biggest elements of PBL that teachers and students struggle with is students leading more of the learning and teachers becoming guides on the side. This is impossible without building responsibility among learners and fostering the proper classroom environment. But back to our point. Are you doing this right? Well, I don't know. Are your students engaged? Here's what it means to be engaged. Are you becoming a guide on the side? Are students asking each other questions? Are they finding information independently? Are they becoming more independent in their learning? Are students learning in a new way? Are you getting any pushback? That can be a good sign. Is anyone uncomfortable doing things in a new way? This can also be a sign of significant change. Are you working more on providing scaffolding and working with small groups than on providing whole group messages? Are you starting to replace traditional learning models instead of stopping class to do PBL? Are your students making choices about their products or processes as they learn? Are your students learning while doing instead of learning first and then doing? The final message is there are no PBL police. If instruction is working, students are learning, they're engaged, then you're doing it correctly.